Hello. Hello, 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 hello.
Ang title ng ating...
Welcome to our PLat PL.
Ay, oo nga pala. The title ng ating istorya for today is Sacrifice to the Shark Clan.
Shark?
Sa Mizoku,
Okay.
Eno Sasagemo.
Wow, fishes ito. Fishes.
Yes.
Ganda.
Ganda.
Fishes.
Sharks, hindi fish.
Bakit di ba sila sa category?
Hindi.
Yung slice na.
Hindi.
Mama lang shark.
Mama lang shark.
Okay.
Hindi mo na kausap eh.
Okay.
Kasi they don't give birth to eggs.
Yeah, true. Sige, continue. Continuation.
Okay, so summary. I'm prepared to be this man's wife. Quote unquote. The son of the
Nakita ko siya.
Tanagata The son of Tanagata clan's chief Avel is growing increasingly dissatisfied with the Miyaro clan, which lives on the opposite side of the island. The Tanagata clan offers one new adult to the Miyaro clan each year. This disgusting law was created by their ancestors in order to avoid conflict with the monstrous Miyaro clan.
Oh, wait. So, anong clan tong isa?
Mga teka,
Sorry.
who are said to have the blood of the sharks flowing in their brain. One day, when Avel gets attacked by a beast, he is saved by Tukiri of the Miyaro clan. Avel's wariness is softened by Tukiri's surprisingly kind and friendly nature, but 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 naman.
But? But?
But the moment he notices Abel's bleeding, Tukiri's condition suddenly changes. Abel is flustered. Abel is flustered by such a different Tokiri. Yes, the Denagata clan possesses bodies with a special trait where the first time you have sex determines your gender role.
Oh?
If one plays a female role for the first time they have sex, their bodies will become that of a female.
Oh.
I can't. I'm next in line to be the chief. While resisting, Abel is swallowed up by a whirlpool of flesh. It's actually
Weird indeed.
It's actually really very good. So, may empreg itong itong storya na to.
Hindi ko alam ibig sabihin nun, but okay.
Male pregnancy.
Okay. Kasi,
Empreg.
fishes naman sila, so okay.
Hindi nga sila fish.
Whatever.
Shark nga.
Fine, mammal sila na may buntot.
Shark nga kasi sila shark.
Ay nga, same shit
So,
na.
as mentioned, dalawang clan. So, yung clan ni Abel, so they have both sexes.
Okay.
So, they don't have both organs. However, they're all born male. All of them. And they have a ceremony, a coming-of-age ceremony, which kung maglalaban, like yung mga magkakaedad, and whoever loses will be the female.
Oh, weird, but okay.
So, yung first sexual encounter nila will determine their sex their whole life.
So, say for example, di natalo ka. Pero yung sexual encounter mo, ikaw yung male. Paano yun?
Male ka na forever.
Eh, paano kung nauna yung laban bago yung encounter?
Yun nga. Female ka na forever.
Kahit na nanalo ka, for example.
Oo, hindi, wala nang sense yung pagkapanalo mo.
Kasi nakapag-chorba ka,
Oo.
babae ka doon.
Mm-mm.
Okay, gets. Okay, continue.
So, ang nangyari kasi, yun nga, na lumabas si Abel for hunting. However, dahil sa deep thinking niya, na napadpad siya, nag-iisip siya habang lalakad.
Okay.
So,
Alam ko ano deep think pala yung sabihin. Sorry na nga.
habang naglalakad siya, naligaw siya. So, napunta siya sa part
So,
niya na,
nazoro siya.
napunta siya sa part niya na never nilang pinuntahan kasi parang sa Miyaro clan siya.
Sa territory nung kabila.
Oh, unfortunately, he encountered a tiger, a wild tiger. So, inatake siya. Nasulatan siya dito.
Yun pala yung nasa image. Okay.
Ano sa image?
Yung sa, ano niya, yung sa unahan, may ganun eh. Pinakita kong picture kanina.
Ito?
Oo.
Oh, yan. Oo. Scar yan yung
Ay
tiger.
mo, kala mo hindi ako hindi ako observant.
Scar siya
Gulat ako.
Scar siya ng tiger.
Okay.
So, dahil nga in danger daw si Abel, tinulungan siya ni Tokiri. Ngayon, si Tokiri is a shark and of course, they are attracted to blood. So, nung una, sinave niya, tapos nakita niya, nung nasave niya na, nakita niya na dugo-dugo. So, yung smell ng blood, he felt aroused.
Aroused na ng labas, hindi like, hindi, ano dito?
Madness. Oo,
Hindi yung like ferocious na.
Hindi. Ang nangyari, so, during that, dahil pareho silang naapektuhan, so parang, ang nangyari, nung nakaamoy ng dugo si Abel, si Tokiri nga, na-turn on siyang ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, no, I need to go. You stay here, ganyan. It's not safe for you, blah, blah, blah. So,
Wala yun naman pwede natin in part.
So,
I can always,
tapos,
bring it up.
ang nangyari, parang naapektuhan in a way si Abel. So, may nangyari sa kanila. So, before may mangyari sa kanila, kasi isip niya, no, hindi pwede kasi I'm the next in line. Being a chief. Yun nga, may nangyari sa kanila.
At siya bottom.
Oo.
So, babae na siya forever.
Yun na nga. So, ngayon, siya yung lalaban for, siya yung lalaban sa coming of age ceremony. So, since he was supposed to be the chief, siya dapat yung mananalo.
Paano yun, no? Okay, continue.
So, during nung nagising siya na bukasan, natagpuan siya ng mga clan niya na natutulog sa forest. Malapit na doon sa kanila. Kasi
okay.
Siya doon dinala siya doon para iniwan na siya sandali to get food. Like drink, water. Nakita na siya bago pa niya
Pabalikan. Okay.
So, the next day, si Abel, he resolved himself. He resolved himself na I'm going to be the next offering to the Miyaro clan.
Offering since nga.
Since he's already a female, hindi niya naman masabi kahit kanino yun. So, nagpatalo siya.
Nagpatalo siya.
Nagpatalo siya sa...
Okay.
Pero syempre, kunyari, nagpa-fight siya, ganyan. Kaya na kasi may injury naman din siya. So, siya.
So, talaga nakita.
Hindi, parang inano niya na lang na dahil doon sa injury. Kaya siya
so, nahilag na lang. Okay.
So, nung natalo na siya, sabi niya na, kasi yung friend niya dapat na mas maliit sa kanya na parang she's always been weak and everything. So, sinabi niya lang na, I've decided that I'm going to be the one to be the sacrifice. Sabi niya gano'n. So, nung pagsabi niya gano'n, dumating si Tokiri. Tapos, si Tokiri pala,
yung next chieftain.
Next chieftain siya ng Miyaro clan.
O din.
Hindi, sinabi niya sa tatay niya na he's not going to be participating.
Ano ba yun?
In the wedding, in the ceremony, in the sacrifice ceremony, ganyan. Tapos, nung pagpunta niya kina Tokiri, kina Abel,
nakita niya.
Nalaman niya. Kasi kinausap niya na, hinahanap niya si Abel. Sabi niya, I'm going to take responsibility for you.
Okay.
Something like that. Tapos sabi niya na, no, that's not needed because I'm going to be the next sacrifice for the Miyaro clan. Sabi niya, that's perfect. Sabi niya, gano'n. I'm going to... Nagbago na ulit niya.
Okay.
So sabi niya, I'm going to be the next chief and I'm here. Dumating kasi yung tatay, sabi, what are you doing here, blah, blah, blah. So, I'm here to pick up the sacrifice. I'm going,
So, ang bilis niya mag-isip ha?
oh, but I'm the son of the chief and I'm going to be the one receiving the sacrifice. Kasi siya naman talaga. Kaya niya na sinabing, hindi niya tatanggapin yung sacrifice.
Kasi yung sala niya iba. Okay,
ayun. Hindi kinasal sila and all. Ceremony, ganyan. Tapos syempre, nandun na siya sa village, parang, ang thinking niya is, he needs to do his duty, his responsibilities na makipag-sex.
What's that, Mars?
Sa kanila, hindi. Sa kanila.
Wait, whatever.
He needs to do his responsibility, his job, para makapag-sex dito kay Tukiri. Tukiri. Sabi ni Tukiri, na that's not needed. Kasi, after nung actual wedding ceremony, dinala sila sa isang, cave, na out of the way, kasi kailangan mag-back up papunta there.
Yeah, very conyo.
Kailangan magpunta there.
Oh.
And then, they were supposed to be in that cave for a week.
Okay.
So, they did spend that week. And then, of course, they were having sex din. Tapos, pinakita ni Abel, nung last day nila, before they go back to the village, nung last day nila, pinakita ni Abel yung katawan niya.
Okay. Sabihin, pinakita niyo yung katawan niya.
He can shift into a shark.
Ooh.
Not like head to toe.
Like bottom part.
Bottom part and fin sa likod.
Okay.
And,
isa?
Wala.
Pero so yung Abel yung may shark talaga na part. Sila talaga yun.
Si Tukiri.
Okay.
Si Tukiri nga yung naging shark eh.
Okay.
Si Abel yung may womb. So, yung sabi niya na, dito, it's the first time that he showed that kay Abel nga, ganyan. Tapos, parang, it was, parang ang cool tignan, ganyan, something like that. Tapos,
na he can transform. Okay.
Tapos, nakita niya na dalawa yung ari. Nila. Dalawa daw ang penis ng sharks and ng rays.
Dalawa
Manta rays. Oo. Dalawa daw.
Sa palabas na yan o in reality?
In reality din. Tapos, tinanong ni Abel, can I touch it?
Okay.
Can I touch both? Hinawakan niya gano'n. Talagang, ang seryoso niya pa, ino-observahan niya ganyan. Hawak-hawak niya gano'n. Siyempre, hindi na control nito minsan. Nilabasan siya ganyan.
Call si Kuya Jane. Ayun kasi pangalan. Anyway, sorry.
Tapos, during that, hindi yan sa nila. Like, Kiri is in his shark form.
Yung shark form niya, may paa din siya, syempre.
Wala.
Paano?
Nasa tubig sila eh.
Nasa tubig sila.
So, di dalawa nga yung ari. Di parang itong si Abel, adventurous. Pinasok niya pareho. Okay. I was weird.
Pinakita yung sa manga?
Oo.
Sorry na.
Okay, continue. So yun, okay na. Na sila, balik na sila sa village. So, pagbalik nila sa village, he was welcomed by the people from his clan na sacrifice na before.
Okay.
So, yung siyempre, makakilala niya and everything. Tapos, yung kanyang uncle, yung kapatid ng nanay niya, younger,
was also sacrificed.
And he was sacrificed 10 years ago. Tapos
okay, so fairly niyo pa.
May anak na yung si Rowa. Rowa yung pangalan.
Okay.
Who's 9-year-old and a 6-year-old yata. A 9-year-old and a 6-year-old, dalawa. Tapos sabi ni Rowa na he was just he just got back from the neighboring island. Tapos sabi, do you want to go next, do you want to go with me? Like, in tomorrow or in a few days or something like that. And he's always been fascinated with the outside world.
So yung pupuntahan nila is not within their...
No, it's a different. Kasi yung clan niya, yung Tanagata clan, they're aloof. They don't travel out. Unlike the Miyaro clan na nakikipag-barter, nakikipag-trade sa other islands, sila hindi.
So they're more... Parang ano baga?
Hindi. Parang secluded sila.
Secluded yun.
Oo, kasi nasa inner island sila. Outer island ng Miyaro.
So kung bilog na ganyan, at meron pa sa labas, na sila sa gitna, parang gano'n.
Oo, parang gano'n. Pero, wala na doon sa kabila. Sarado yung kabila. So, walang daan doon sa kabila. So, parang, nasa loob sila ng inland sila. So, ang Miyaro clan nasa edge.
Hindi yung pa nabanggit. Hindi ko alam kung babanggitin. Anong species sila?
Tao form sila eh.
So, wala silang species. Tao lang talaga sila.
I'll let you know. So,
Tagal eh. Hintay ko eh.
ano pa lang
It's
tayo?
getting there. It's gonna be there.
Chapter 3 pa rin.
Okay.
So, yun yan. Na-amaze siya syempre, of course, sa mga nakikita niya na bago, ganyan. And then, okay, parang they spent the day like roaming around, doing things sa other island. Tapos sa isip niya na parang, I've always really wanted to travel or to go outside their island. Kasi parang, from when he was young, he's always been trained to be the next chief. So, even though hindi niya naman talaga naisip na kung gusto niya or hindi, ang ano lang is,
He was raised.
he was raised as the next chief. So, lahat ng thoughts niya is being the next chief. Ngayon, hindi na siya yung magiging next chief. He's starting to say what he can do in the future. So,
Hindi na siya tied down eh.
oo. So, na-amaze nga siya na gano'n yung buhay sa other islands, ganyan. And then, sabi niya, naisip niya yung friend niya, yung nakababata niyang friend na, yun na sabi ko kanina na may kayatot, ganyan. May hilig pala yung gumawa ng mga accessories.
Okay.
And sabi niya, if ever he was like with Miyaro clan, he could
barter.
no, he could sell his own accessories and sell them to neighboring islands.
True.
So, meron din pa ng mga items nila na nakita mo yun, yung husky na kalabas yung ulo.
Okay.
So, may
Mainit daw
mga items na binibenta ng Miyaro clan na galing sa Tanagata clan.
Okay.
So, parang kung ano yung nakukuha nila from Tanagata clan, binibenta rin. So, gano'n. And then, nung kinagabihan, siyempre, parang magkatabi yung kwarto nila Rowa, asawa niya, at yung dalawang bata, sa kanila, nila Abel at Mary. So, Tukiri's always been showy, like touchy-feely, ganyan. Tapos parang may narinig na kalabog itong si Abel. May butas, sinilip niya gano'n, nagsisex yung dalawa, syempre.
Okay.
Kasi, female role yung si Rowa. So, nakita niya na nagsisex yung dalawa. And then, turn on na ito si Abel, tapos may nasa kadalawang fourth. And then, pagbalik nila ng village, pagbalik nila ng village, andun yung kapatid niya.
Okay.
Yun pala, itong si nakababatang friend, si Tiram. Si Tiram, si Tiram, mamawala.
Okay.
Kasi yun pala, nung like a few days after umalis ni Abel, parang lumala yung kondisyon ng nanay.
Nanay ni Tiram?
Hindi, ni
Abel.
Ni Abel.
Tinay siya hanapin.
Sinubukan siyang hanapin ni Tiram. Kaya lang hindi pa bumabalik hanggang sa ngayon daw.
So, nawala.
So, ang pumunta yung kapatid niya si Shione. Sa Shio something. So, tapos, parang nalingat ng, or hinatid lang ni Abel yung gamit, whatever, something. Pagbalik ni Abel, wala na yung, wala na si, pagbalik ni Tokiri, wala na si Abel.
Okay.
Kasi nasa may, paano pa lang sila dock. Tapos, di syempre, naghahanap yung dalawa, yung si Abel, tsaka yung kapatid niya. Hinahanap nila si Terang. Tapos, syempre, sumusunod dito si Abel, ay si Tokiri. Kasi dangerous area yung place, baka may wild animals or something. So, medyo na-late siya, medyo matagal yung pagitan nila.
Okay.
So, nahanap ngayon nila si Teramo, nandun sa cave kung saan sila
iniwan na 7 days.
Hindi.
Nagtago nung na-hurt siyang una.
Okay. Doon. Tapos, maya, narinig, nag-uusap sila doon sa loob na, they have to go, this area is dangerous, but the cave is safe. So, tapos may narinig siyang nag-roar. It sounds like the same animal yung
nakahurt sa kanya.
So, nung nilabas niya, tapos sabi niya na, I need to deal with this, something, tsuba, ganyan. And then, yun nga, yung tiger. May injured yung tiger.
Okay.
Already. Kasi nung sinave nga siya niya.
Oo, hindi pa gumagaling.
Hindi pa, syempre. Mga isang linggo, 2 linggo pa.
Baka pa lang yan. Okay. Akala ko mahabang panahon na makakalipas.
Hindi pa.
Okay.
Kasi di ba, after ng hindi, 1 buwan.
So, also a few weeks.
Pero hindi pa siya fully healed din.
Hindi pa super tagal. Okay.
Hindi pa super tagal. So, anong nangyari? Narinig niya tinatawag siya ni Tokiri. O sabi niya na andun siya, but the tigers here are the old animals here and you need to be very careful. I'll lead you to him and you shoot him. Kasi kapag dumating ka, baka umatake bigla.
Okay.
So, hindi ganun yung ginawa nila. Kaya lang, nasa edge of the
Cliff
yata sila.
Okay.
So, nung pag-araw ni Tokiri dun sa tiger, habang patalo na ganun, tinamaan niya yung tiger, kaya lang, nadali siya. Nadagat na siya ng tiger. So, nalaglag sila sa cliff. So,
where did yung lola mo? Where did yung lola mo? Syempre.
Hindi, tinalon niya kasi
Nasusunod niya?
Oo, syempre tinalon niya. Shark naman siya
Okay. Wait,
so,
sabi ng shark, si Tokiri ba?
Si Tokiri nga
Sabi mo, si Tokiri na taganan?
Si Abel yung
Sorry. Okay.
Si Tokiri yung nagpana. Si Abel yung
taganan. Okay, gets. Baliktad ako ng isip Okay.
So, ayun na. Pagdagdag niyang gano'n, nadadrag siya kasi di ba may makaral na yung cliff. So, nadadrag siya nung tiger. Pero niya naman, parang na-push off niya away from him. And then, maya, ando na si Tokiri. Naligtas siya ganyan.
Okay.
Tapos naalala niya na nung bata siya, may nagligtas din sa kanya. So, yun pala, nagkakilala sila nung bata pa sila. And, nalunod kasi siya. So, sinave siya nito ni Tokiri.
Okay.
Oo. Sinave niya siya nito ni Tokiri. And then, Tokiri was trying to do a resuscitation. Pero, nakagat siya. Kasi parang nung magma-mouth-to-mouth na siya, nakagat siya ni Abel.
Okay.
So, nag-share na sila ng blood.
Meaning?
So, parang ang nangyari, naging fated sila.
Because of that. Okay.
Fated sila. Kaya nung unang kita nila na, again, yung
yung adults na sila.
nag-react yung blood.
Oo.
So, yun.
Okay.
Oo.
So, it's parang hindi na rin all will ang labas, no?
Oo, hindi na.
That's okay.
Pero
okay.
naman pa rin
Happy naman sila. Okay. Tapos,
ligtas na silang ganyan. Tapos, nung sabi niya na, I need to take them home, sabi ni Abel na, I need to take them home, blah, blah, blah. Since I'm a sacrifice, I can't go home, but I need to take them. Yung ganon.
they cannot go home kasi get sacrificed.
Hindi na sila pwedeng bumalik at
So, hindi na sila part ng clan.
Okay. However, nung ito nung pagbalik na ganyan, andun yung tatay, sabi ba, there are laws that's why this is not allowed, blah, 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 ganyan, ganyan. So, sabi naman ni Abel na it needs to change. This kind of tradition needs to change, blah, 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 blah. Tapos ang sabi ng tatay na, inform the chief of the Miyaro clan and we'll discuss this, ganyan, ganyan. And then, they created a new law na on a set day, pwede nang bumalik yung mga taga...
Oo, na set day.
On a set
Like
day.
visits.
Oo.
Okay.
One time a year.
That's fine. At least changes.
Once a year. So, the sacrifices
Can
from
visit
the Dalagata clan to Miyaro can visit their
once a
homes
year.
Once a year.
Oh, that's at least good.
So, that's the end of in my view, first volume. Kasi walang nakalagay eh. 12 chapters. The second volume,
So, in your view, 2 volumes yan?
Oo.
Okay.
So, the second volume, in my view, kasi after a year na eh.
Tumalon. So,
May time skip. So, after a year, parang stable na yung nila, yung married life nila in a way. Tapos parang itong si Belle, medyo nagki-crave na siya na bigyan ng family. Itong si Tokiri. Kasi parang naiinggit siya kay Rowa na
may family sila.
At saka, ang thinking niya is, si Tokiri is giving me all of him, like, he's giving me everything, and I need to give him something.
Something in return.
And the thing that he can give is a baby. So, yung thinking niya.
Okay.
So, unfortunately, hindi pa rin siya nabubuntis after a year.
Okay.
Kasi, naisip niya na, si Rowa, he was sacrificed 10 years ago and his eldest was 9.
So, it took a year before.
Hindi.
I mean, in 1 year, may nabuntis.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin,
So, yung
So, siya in-expect niya dapat.
Nanganak in a year.
Oh, yeah, whatever.
So, gusto niya sana. So, yun, napapaisip siya. So, every time na naisip niya yun, siyempre nakukurdi siya.
Okay.
May nangyayari sa akin. Pero parang may sense of urgency siya. Pero, hindi naman Anyway, so, nagpunta sila sa festival ng other island. And then, they had celebrations, of course. And then, meron sila para sa lanterns.
Okay,
Pero sa
lantern.
tubig.
Yes, parang sa Japan.
Lantern sa tubig.
Lantern Festival. Oh, sige, gets ko.
Hindi yung palipad.
Oh, yeah, I know
Sa
that.
tubig. Tapos, it's on the sea. And then,
Ganun sa wala for death.
hindi, festival lang.
Ayan, festival.
Like,
Okay.
parang lights festival or something. So, at the end of the festival, yun nga, 3 days yung festival. The last day, papaalaw ng ganon. Tapos, ang ginawa nilang dalawa, they went to the other end of the show, of the sea.
Okay.
Kung saan nila nakikita yung mga
Saan yung dulo nun?
And it was, sabi ni Abe, sabi ni Tokiri, this is a better view than you're in the shore. And sabi niya pa na, I've always wanted to see this with you. Sabi, this view with you, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos may nakakita sa kanila. Isang foreigner na nagbabangka.
Okay.
He's a researcher, explorer. Sabi niya sa mga comment, kung natapos yung manga, sabi niya sa mga comment, among the things happen in this manga, people from sharks, okay. Men can give birth, okay. But a white man discovering a new island, discovering new people, and it did not turn bloody? Unbelievable. So,
Super fantasy talaga.
so, anong nangyari? Tapos, yung explorer, nakita niya na may fin itong isa, tapos the 2 men kissing, ganyan. So, he's been wandering around islands, per island on island, ganyan. Tapos, na ano siya, napunta siya sa shore. Tapos, ano to? Parang nagkaroon ng butas yung ano niya, yung bangka niya. Tapos naalog siya sa shore. Buo pa naman yung bangka. Yun,
May butas lang.
May butas lang. Tapos, nakita niya dumaan yung bangka nila, nila ni Abel, Tukiri, at saka may isa pa. Tapos, tinry niyang sundan. Unfortunately, nung a few distance away na yung sila Abel, bumagyo. And na-shipwreck siya.
Oo, kasi nga butas na rin naman.
Oo, na-shipwreck siya. Unfortunately, may bata na nandun.
Unfortunately,
Oo, may
may
bata.
bata siyang kasama?
Wala siyang batang kasama. Pero nung na-shipwreck siya, nung buhat-buhat ni Abel sa papunta sa clan nila.
Siya?
Oo.
Okay.
Si
Foreigner.
At saka may batang kasama.
Okay.
Pointed din yung ears ng bata, like there.
Pero hindi yung kasama ng foreigner.
Hindi kasama ng bata. Ito palang bata is also a shark. Black one. Okay. Ito na. Nung sabi ng tatay na don't tell this man anything, don't show him anything. Once he gets better, tell him to leave. Because he's a man from a distant land. We don't know him. We don't know his culture, whatever, something. So he's from the northern islands. Ganyan. Sabi ganyan. Nag-agree naman sila. Nung una, hindi talaga nila pinapakita ganyan. Pero syempre, hectic yung bahay nila kasi sa kanila ngayon nakatira yung dalawa. And hindi sila makapaglabing-labing.
Okay.
So, at the moment pa, itong si Tokiri, he's already acting
Weird.
Hindi. He's already
Chief na.
okay, taking on some responsibilities of the chief. So, ang nangyari na ngayon, nila, piniprevent din ang lumamig. Itinarn on natin
Oo,
isang
pinatay ano kuya. Ang kuya sa dulo, pinaimutan siya. Okay, tuloy.
anyhow. So,
Nakajakat ka naman.
Nilalamigin pa ako naman.
Taas mo pa ako.
Hindi man masyado kapagpatay pa.
Okay.
So, anyways, yun nga. Parang nung una, hindi nagsasalita yung bata. Sabi niya, they called me Enoha. So, Enoha yung pangalan niya.
Okay.
And he doesn't know where his parents are.
Mm-hmm.
And then, nung parang, marami namang chuchu na hindi masyadong relevant. And then, nung like chapter 4 or 5 nung second volume,
Okay.
they kind of discovered something. Kasi nag-uusap si Abel at saka si Tokiri sa sea. Tapos he has transformed. Nahuli na sila nung
Foreigner.
explorer.
Oo.
Nung foreigner. Tapos sabi niya habang nag-uusap-usap silang ganyan, na sabi ni Abel,
Sa may foreigner.
may narinig si Abel na nag-usap. Kasi pala, nag-uusap is yung,
Bata.
hindi, parang yung chief ng Danagata at saka
So,
chief
tatay
ng
niya.
Yaru. Oo, nandun sila,
Oh.
nag-uusap sila parang
Hashash.
hidden away from anyone.
Hashash, oo.
Hashash, yung usapan nila. Tapos parang, masabi na, we're going to continue the ritual as we always have. Ganyan.
But,
Parang, we just need to keep the kids away from him. So parang pinag-uusapan nila, ito si Abel.
bakit?
So parang may something nga silang secret chuchu.
Okay.
So parang ang
Kids ito ko niya. Kids in general.
kids ng Danagata clan.
Okay.
Ito parang sabi, the preparations have been made, same plan as always. Though last year was really difficult. I apologize for the trouble my son caused. So there will be no disruption to this year's ceremony. So, So ito sabi niya, I recall you can't visit him even on annual homecoming. So because my role now is to protect the children.
Okay.
So sabi niya, I certainly won't be able to retire until I retire. So as long as we keep him away physically, there'll be no problem. As long as there's no contact with the children before the ceremony.
Bakit?
So may ganong tsuba sila.
Meron talaga silang ano.
Di parang ito ngayon na
Very intriguing.
may mga storya na alam itong si Explorer. Yung sinabi niya sa kanila na ito,
Sa si
legend. Ito si Explorer.
Okay.
His name is Dylan.
Okay.
So, ito yung yung alam niyang teorya. A Legend of the Sea. I've been researching all this time. The thing is, the conversation we heard reminded me of something.
So, nakatago silang tatlo nung narinig nila.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi nga,
Akala ko si Abel lang.
Hindi.
Sila pala.
Nag-usap na silang tatlo.
Oo, tapos kumuwayat lang sila.
Oo. Tapos
Okay.
ang storya pala, there was a union between a white shark and a black shark.
Okay.
So, ang storya, tawag ito? Hindi pala pinakita yung storya.
Pero ang storya,
Hindi, ito. Yung wedding ceremony nila, hineld kasi doon sa parang altar. Kaya bakit ito yung parang altar na ganyan.
okay.
Ayan, ito totoo. Diyan sila nag-ceremony. So, nung nandun silang dalawa, tapos yung si Explorer, biglang may narinig silang kumuluskos or gumalaw.
Okay.
So, nakita nila may bumukas na pinto dun sa ruins.
Okay.
They wanted to explore it, however, may dumating yung kapatid yung asawa ni
Roa.
yung asawa ni Roa. Tapos sabi niya, he needs to clean the ceremony area kasi
Hindi ka kasal.
ikakasal yung kapatid niya naman.
Okay.
So, di ikakasal na. After nung, ano na naman siya? Horny na naman siya. After nung kasal, they can't stop thinking about it. So,
Yung
they
story,
went to the shrine itself. So, kasi nanaginip siya, after niya gawin yung kanyang tsuba-tsuba, nanaginip siya.
Si Abel.
Oo, nanaginip si Abel na ganyan. So,
Lots of
ayan yung
sharks.
nakita niya, lots of sharks. And then, ayan, come swim with us, blah, blah, blah. Ito yung white and black shark. So, after nung wedding and everything, they went there. Ayan, pinuntahan nila yung cave and all that.
Anong magulang nung dalawang parent?
Hindi.
Si Abel nga, tsaka si ano pala.
Si Tukiri.
Because of the
at
dream.
saka si Dylan.
Tsaka si foreigner.
Hindi, kasama si Enoha. Asa si
Ay, bata?
Oo, asa si Enoha. Ayan si Enoha.
Okay.
Tingnan mo, parehas
Dapat
sila ng
Mhm.
tenga. So, yan, sabi ni Ed, sa isip-isip to niya, ni
Kulang itsura nito kay Lia.
Dylan. Oo.
Okay.
The white shark from the legend must have been a Miyaru. Everything I've discovered so far points to that. So, if so, what about the other shark? The black shark of that union. Ang inisip niya ito yan, so, ang parang kasi nangyari, may yun.
Okay.
So, na-discover nila yung parang,
Lagoon or something.
lagoon of some sort, yung sa gitna ng shrine.
Shrine.
Tapos, may narinig itong si Enoha, parang tinatawag siya. So, nakita yun din, lumangoy siyang ganyan. Tapos, sinundan siya ni Tokiri. Kinagat si Tokiri.
Okay.
So, parang lang ba, warning, like, get away, go
Ah.
away, something like that. Pero, hindi na-attract kasi yung other sharks dun sa blood eh.
Okay.
So, parang they were being ignored, pero you can't go further.
Okay.
Ganyan.
Pero yung bata naka-go further.
Oo, yun nga kaya nga nag-warning yung isang shark.
Nga, leave him.
Oo, leave the area, parang ganon. And naiwan dun sa si Tokiri.
Okay.
Tapos pinuntahan siya ni Abel. So parang, ang sabi ng bata kasi na, I heard my mom and my dad calling me. I
Okay.
heard their voice. So parang lang ba, parang siguro,
Sa imagination niya,
hindi
parang
sa
siren song ang
imagination.
thing.
Hindi parang parang yung parents niya watching over him na they were calling him kasi parang tumiha it's where all the
There.
sharks
Oo.
go.
Diyan sa area na yan.
Oo,
Okay.
yun yung ano ko. Yun yung sa pantaha ko. Tapos yan
Bumalik ulit siya.
nilangoy ni Abel. Tapos yan, nagpunta sila doon sa gitna. And then, he tried to give
Mouth.
air kay Abel. Tapos, may dumating na dalawa.
Okay.
Dalawang black sharks. Maliit lang ang black sharks. And then, parang pinapasunod silang dalawa.
Okay.
Di sumunod naman sila. And however, pagkalayo-layo nila, nakakahinga na si
Wait. Mali ako ng imagination. Ang akala ko ito si Abel pala to, yun si Tukiri. Akala ko si Tukiri tong astigin. Hindi pala balikan. Sorry. Okay, continue.
Yung white shark nga. Yung white
Sorry
shark
na nga. Continue. Mali ko ba kung black yan? Parang moreno lang. Hindi siya black. White.
Ay, hindi. Yun
white.
nga.
Oh, sige na, continue.
Moreno, darker skin nga siya.
Fine. Oh.
So, pagka parang paglayo-layo nila, maya-maya, nakakahinga na siya ng normal. Huwag ka na siyang buntot. Saka ng gills.
Okay.
Kasi ito si Tukiri.
It's not because of his blood though. Kasi di ba they shared blood?
Hindi.
Okay.
Kaya para ang dating nga, ayan black shark siya.
Nagka-transform siya. Oh.
He turned into the black shark.
Mm-hmm.
So, pareho sila nagtataka baka anong nangyari, ganyan-ganyan. So,
pinuntahan nila yung parents?
hindi. Nahuli sila nung tatay sa sacred area. Kung saan sila nag-spend ng 1 week.
Mm-hmm.
Doon yung korekta ng lagoon.
Doon yung labas.
Oo, doon yung labas. Doon yung korekta ng lagoon. Ngayon,
Nahuli sila doon and then?
ayan sabi, we don't know what's happening either, blah, blah, blah. So, yan.
Sinungaling.
Hindi, sabi ni Tukiri. Si Tukiri yan, ito yung tatay. So, andyan na yung tatay, dumating yung tatay niya. Sabi, and they need to explain things. So, nung pag na nila, sabi, may pupuntahan daw sila. They went there, ganyan. Ito yung storya.
Mm-hmm.
So, long ago, 2 types of shark lived in this island's navel. So, yung navel yung natagpuan nila.
Okay.
The white shark, which lived in the sunlit shallow waters, and the black shark, which lurked in the navel's depths.
Okay.
One day, they each fell in love with goddesses who lived there on land.
Mm-hmm.
So, hindi sila pareho na in love sa isang babae.
So, magkaiba naman.
Magkaibang goddess.
Okay.
So, the sharks left the navel and began living on island's coast.
Mm-hmm.
Eventually, the sharks coupled with the goddesses, I don't know how, producing 2 children. So, one inherited half of each parent's physical traits,
Black and white.
one was born with gleaming silver skin. So, ito yung
White sharks.
So, the other was born black in color and inherited the goddess's beauty. He also had traits from his deep-sea-dwelling father. So, yung buntot at saka yung ability to have kids. So, knowing his child would have difficulties as a human, the black shark had him drink the blood of his humanoid goddess mother.
Okay.
As a result, his child obtained a more human form suited to terrestrial life.
Okay.
Thus, one of the shark's children lived in the sea and the
on
other came to live on land. So, yun yung storya nila.
Okay.
So, that's the white shark was the
Progenitor. Okay.
progenitor of the Miyano clan, and the black sharks gave rise to our clan, the Tanagata. So, our ancestors are shark too.
Okay. So, why do they have to hide it?
Hindi pa, ito kasi parang they honored the wish of the black shark for the kids to live on land.
Kasi they might get bullied because they're black.
Hindi, parang parang ang thinking siguro ng shark is they're going to have difficulties living under.
Kaya nga.
Hindi. Kasi, the depths of the navel eh.
Okay, sige.
Kasi sa shallow water yung isa. So, okay lang. So, itong isa, deep sea. So, sabi niya may hirapan to live as humans.
Under the sea.
Under the sea, yung mga anak niya. So,
Okay.
Even now, we are born into unusual bodies. Eternally, we remain pronounced shark traits. We retain pronounced shark traits, and we who reject the shark form drink adult human blood at our coming of age ceremonies and determine our sex when we wed. So thus becoming officially human. Until we drink human blood, we are not fully human. So when a minor, especially a prepubescent child, has their shark blood become more concentrated, so yun nangyari kay nung bata sila. So,
Dahil nainom niya yung dugo.
So is that why I wasn't allowed to see the children when I visited home? So they didn't want any incidents, baka naman kasi makagat or anything. So kaya nila
Medyo weird, but okay.
pinatago yung mga bata.
Like, why would you bite it? Why would you bite that?
Kasi parang kasi ng bata eh.
Kahit
So,
medyo weird, but okay.
paglalaro and everything. So pag nasugatan, baka ganun. Something like that.
Wait, kasi ang mangyayari, kailangan masugatan is yung isa.
Oo.
Pag nasugatan yung bata, higupin ng bata. Nasugatan siya, higupin ba ng bata yung dugo niya?
Oo. Kaya nga, as long as...
Okay,
mas-
gets mo
mas
naman
better
weird lang.
na,
Okay.
na wag na lang kaysa magkaroon pa ng whatever, something.
Okay.
Yan. So, the Miyaru who are proud of their short heritage and the Tanagata who swore to live as humans, despite our different philosophies, we share a common destiny. We work together to coexist on this island.
Okay.
So, ganun yung nila.
Yung history nila.
Yung story nila. So, sabi naman ito ni yung tatay na you belong to another family now. Pero sabi nito ni
Abel.
Abel na I realized that even if we live far away, we're still family.
Mm-hmm.
So, yung
True.
sabi niya, even when apart, and even if they are not related by blood. So, ganun.
But they are related by blood, right? Yung tatay niya?
Hindi.
Si Abel?
Hindi. Kasi, ang nangyari, si Enoha,
Si ano nga?
si Enoha nag-usap sila kasama si Enoha. Parang nangyari, kasi nga, yung nanay tatay niya patay na.
Mm-hmm,
So, parang sabi ni Abel na, can't we be your parent?
Sila na. Kasi since di naman siya mabuntis din. For now. Okay, continue.
Tapos yun, na-resolve yung issue, and then, 5 years later, pag-time skip uli.
Patapos
So,
na yan.
oo. 5 years later, nag-time skip uli.
Pero ang liit pa rin ni Inuha.
Hindi, una pa yan.
Okay,
Sila pa rin yan. Hindi na masyado importante. Parang sinabi lang na
O, di skip mo na yan.
and then, thank you, mom and dad. So, parang tinawag
okay.
na lang na parents niya. So, yan. Yan. Ito na siya, si Enoha.
Oo, okay.
Itong kambal, anak ni
Ni Abel tsaka ni
Abel.
Very nice.
Si,
Isang white, isang black.
oo. Si Teora, saka si Tiere.
So, ang nag-aalaga si Inuha.
Si Enoha. Saka ito si Tao.
Sino naman yan?
Si Tao, yung anak ni Roa.
Okay.
Kasi magkasag-edad sila.
Okay.
So, yan. Di, okay na. Yun yung happily ever after.
In the ending run. So, you like it because? Well, kakaibang story, I admit.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, maganda yung pagkakasulat.
Tsaka ang pogi ni ni Abel, in
Tsaka
fairness.
ang ganda ng world building.
True.
Ang ganda ng world building, and it would have been great actually if mas mahaba siya. Kasi like different, kung madagdagan pa na yung
Yung pag-world build,
oo,
more into their history and stuff.
exactly.
It's actually nice, yeah.
It's really
Different.
Pagkakaano.
It's very different.
Oo. Mas maganda sana kung meron pang like spin-offs and everything, pero wala.
Malay mo, may story at magkaroon si
Wala.
Malay mo, magkaroon si Enoha at si...
I don't know, pero ang tagal na nito Matagal-tagal na. Well, hindi ko alam kung exact year, but matagal-tagal na siya. And, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa, yung placing, wala masyadong drama,
true.
walang angst.
Wala masyado, yes. Yung story lang talaga nila, how it unfolded.
Ganda lang saka,
Oh, by the way, I'm speaking without the noise cancellation because I wanted to check the difference
Okay.
And this one is with noise cancellation. Okay, continue.
So yun, I really liked it. Ang ganda ng drawing kay, ano kay,
Tsaka si Avel, parang medyo mother of spirit mother yung peg ng pagkakadrawing sa kanya. Oo.
ganda ng
Parang ganun yung datingan niya. Siya lang mismo.
Oo, ganda nga eh. Ang kissing, yung guwapo.
Kahit na hindi siya malaki, kasing laki ng katawan ni ni Q. Kung malalim mo pala, hirap kasi. Kasi si Q. Isa sa mga una namin storya. Ano ang pangalan niya? Q. Ayun. Kasi naman ang hirap, di ba? Kaltakat. Ang pangalan kasi yan.
QA.
Basta si Q.
QA.
Ganun yung drawing niya, halos parehas. Though, mas bulky si Kaltake. Ito medyo
iba yung,
liit lang.
iba yung, syempre,
Hair and all.
African.
Pero,
Ito.
Steve, halos parehas. Ganda ng style.
Parang,
Ay, hinahawakan mo.
somewhat prehistoric yung ano niya.
Yung dating.
Oo, yung that's
Yeah.
So, yun.
So, there,
Guys, of our weekend activity.
Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye.